Hey everyone, and welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to do a flat twist out. So for this video, I am going to be using the Melanin Haircare line. I'm going to be using the leave-in and the twist elongating style cream. So this is what I will be using for today's style. I will also be using a rat tail comb. I may or may not use a rat tail comb. It depends on how neat I want to be. But I'm just going to go ahead and put the flat twist in and show you how I do that. So if you would like to see that, continue watching the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time that I post a video. Alright guys, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I am starting off with freshly washed hair. For those that have watched my videos, you know I wash, condition, and deep condition my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by parting my hair. And as I go, I'm going to be parting small sections and adding the leave-in, detangling, and then adding the twist elongating style cream. Guys, so I am detangling with the rat tail comb in the beginning of this video, and that's because I'm too lazy to go get my other comb. So don't try this at home. But here is what I'm basically doing to all of the sections of my hair and flat twisting throughout. Okay, so now I am done installing my flat twist, and this is what my hair looks like. I am going to sleep in my twist. I'm going to wrap my scarf around my head and sleep in these. And then I'm probably going to wear these for a day or so just to make sure that they're dry before I take them down. But this is what my flat twists look like right now. Okay, so it is now the next day and I'm going to be taking my flat twist down. Guys, when I started taking the flat twist down, I thought they were dry. I even sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes. But as I started to take them down, I noticed that they were not entirely dry, guys. But I'm going to go ahead and use some oil, apply that to my hands, and then begin to take down the flat twists. So this is what my hair is looking like so far. As you can see, I have great definition. My hair is actually dry in the front section, but as I get closer to the back, the sections are a lot chunkier, so they did not dry entirely. You will start to see some frizz from my hair still being a little damp. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like after taking down the flat twist. Showing you here that my hair is kind of frizzy from it being damp. But I am going to just start to separate it a bit and to style it, and then I will come back and show you the final result. Alright guys, I'm back with my final results. So I did separate my hair a little bit, and I also just styled it because it is a little frizzy. I wanted to make it look cute regardless of the frizz. So nothing a little bit of combs and some bobby pins can't fix. So that's pretty much what I did. I put some combs in and some bobby pins and styled my hair to the way I wanted to look. I thought it came out pretty cute despite the frizz. So guys, let me know what you think of this style. I think next time I'm also going to be using curlers at the ends just so that it gives it a different look. But guys, let me know if you like the video. Make sure you thumbs up, leave your comments down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting and watching the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.